stuffing chapati. So this is our Sunday breakfast. So guys, I'm telling you proper Punjabi paratha. So guys, I'm telling you for that what we needed. So I have got about 3 to 4 potatoes. I already boiled it. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of mango powder, or we can call it the amchur powder, big leaves. Then I have got some ghee and plain yogurt, half teaspoon of garam masala, cooking butter, dough, plain flour dough, 1 small onion chopped, 2 green chilli. You can put according your taste, so we like quite spicy, so I have got 2 chilli, little bit coriander chopped, and ginger 1 teaspoon. So guys, first I'm going to mix the potato. So I'm going to add the salt first, garam masala, ginger, coriander, green chili, onion. Next I have got this one to mix to make it smooth. So I'm going to do mash the potato till they smooth. If you like to use your hand, you can use your hand as well. This paratha recipe is very quick recipe and very delicious. Potato base is ready. So make sure there is no lump. If you left the lump, it's chances to break your chapati when you stuffing. So make sure you mash very well. And before you stuffing the chapati, you can check the salt as well, because sometimes potato is quite sugary or sweet, so you can add the salt according to your taste. So I gas on and I have got a chapati pan. So we need to make very hot pan, because I have got quite thick pan, so I need to make very hot. So I'm taking the dough. I'm making quite thin, so I'm taking like this amount dough. So it's totally optional if you want to make thick or thin. So I'm taking like this amount the dough first. Make sure you make dough 1 hour before make any chapati or paratha. So it's quite soft. I didn't add any salt or anything, no butter, nothing. Only I make dough with only water, and I left nearly 2 hours, so it's quite soft. Then I have got dry flour, so I'm going to like this. Then I'm going to put down there. So I'm using self today. Is clean already very well before I use. If you like to use the little extra flour, dry flour, you can use it, but not too much, otherwise it became very powdery paratha. So I'm making this size, no bigger than this size, otherwise it will break when you put potatoes. Then I'm going to put the potato in there. So it's totally optional. If you like how you feeling, you can put less potatoes or extra potatoes. So I like to put 2-3 spoons of the potatoes, like this amount. So you can see, because my children likes well stuffing. Then can press, then make sure, and you do like this, sealed it exactly the when we're making the dumpling, sealed in one place like this. Then sealed in the middle. thicker because I put the extra potatoes. Pan is ready, very hot. Then I'm going to put gently like this. So make sure once the bottom side cook little bit properly before you turn off. If you try to turn off very quickly, it will break. Then gently, very gentle, just turn it like this. I have got ghee. So guys, if you got any health issue or you don't know to add the ghee, is totally optional. You can cook first like a chapati and you can put butter on the top. But I'm going to cook with the ghee first. So I'm using my hand. So I'm just going to come like this. Very thin layer. Because if you put all together, it will be extra ghee, very greasy. So you can control if you cook like this. Then just turn off. Then just gently press. And again, is some people like to eat very crispy and be very red. So I'm making exactly the same. Little bit crispy or brown. It's ready. So you can take out the plate. Then you can serve immediately. So guys, it's ready to eat. Then I'm going to serve with the yogurt and pickles. So guys, you must try this recipe. This is very quick, easy and delicious recipe. Very ideal breakfast for this Sunday morning if you're busy this day. So guys, I'm having with the homemade chili pickle. And I have got plain yogurt and I have got some butter and my paratha. So guys, thanks for watching my video.